Anyways, love has not been defined perfectly by anyone yet. And even if it has been, no one has ever been able to implement it on their lives. Because even Ahana from the book Lost was unable to catch what love is and asked her mom. And by the way, Lost is my book. So if you haven't yet read it, you can and look for why Ahana was searching for the meaning of the word love. Um, and then coming to what Ahana's mom had to tell her when she was 6 about love is that there are two contradictory things her mom said, that love is priceless and the person you are in love with, you are ready to do anything for them at any cost. And she had the question to ask her mom, how'd something be priceless if we add a cost or to doing anything for it? Didn't love always mean not asking and just giving? But it was always bit played on getting back what we were giving. Is this what love is? Wasn't it supposed to be something we just give and not think of getting it back? As Lord Krishna said once, to love without condition, to talk without intention, to give without reason, care without expectation, that's the spirit of true love. क्योंकि अगर शर्तें ही रखनी थी तो प्यार ना करके बिजनेस कर लेते तो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता. पर हम सब ने प्यार करना तो सीखा लेकिन शायद निभाना सारे ही भूल गए. As the ages hit us, we were introduced to another new meaning of what word love meant. But also that we were asked not to talk freely about it because हमारी सोसाइटी में अभी भी इसको शायद क्राइम माना जाता है. But it is giving your 100% to someone in the name of love, or is it someone being the true picture of what you have been craving for so many years? पता नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं. आगे जाते जाते एज के साथ हर बारी डेफिनेशन बदल जाती है. जैसे शुरू में हम सबको अपना प्रिंस चार्मिंग चाहिए होता था, बट बड़े हो गए तो रियलाइज़ हुआ कि शाहरुख खान जो रोल्स प्ले करता है वैसा ही एक कैरेक्टर जो हमेशा हमारे लिए इमोशनली अवेलेबल हो वो चाहिए. बट एज के साथ फिर और आगे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि हमें वैसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बट ऐसा ही कोई चाहिए जो एटलीस्ट साथ रह ले. बट वो भी पता चला कि कोई साथ रहने वाला भी नहीं होता एंड हम सब मूव ऑन करना भी सीख गए. एंड देन व्हाट, एक्सपेक्टेशंस फेल एंड द रियलिटी हिट कि वो तो फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, रियल लाइफ में एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करते हैं. उसके बाद तो फिर हम सबको बस एक ही चीज़ चाहिए थी कि बस कोई साथ रहे. एंड देन we realized happily ever after शायद actually होते ही नहीं है. And even if we are in our 20s or 30s, we all do not know what actually love is. Thank you.